Okay, thank you.
Can you explain how Midl helps EVM developers access Bitcoin liquidity and assets like Runes and Ordinals?
Right. Yes, so Midl is an abstraction layer. We provide an opportunity for your DApps to reach out to Bitcoin users without making them to bridge their assets out, without making them to change their wallets, so they would connect with the usuals Axverse, Unisat, Ledger, Magic Eden, and so on, and without having to rob their assets, essentially. That's first of all. And secondly, we allow an easy migration to our solution, meaning that you wouldn't have to spend like a year on a single DApp development. You can easily migrate your DApp with the Midl.js library or just build it from scratch.
Thanks. What role do abstraction layers play in simplifying DeFi development on Bitcoin, and how is Midl contributing to this?
So I think we help to scale Bitcoin in a very, very good way, and we mainly do it by abstracting the computation from the Bitcoin. So we don't actually just make you breach your funds out and then execute everything on the virtual machine and then just store the proofs on the settlement layer. Instead, we act literally as an abstraction layer, meaning that everything happens on the Bitcoin, but just the tiny part of the whole process, the computation, happens at the external abstraction layer, controlled by a vast network of validators.
What's driving the growing interest in Runes, and how does the Runes community view the potential for native DeFi on Bitcoin?
First of all, I would say shout out to the whole Runes community, guys, and made amazing job, especially working in the circumstances where Runes are really struggling with finding a utility to them, but still we can see like a very good adoption level for the Runes, very, very good interest, and still the Ord's founders keep trying to improve the protocol while keeping it like safe and decentralized. What we bring is Runes is our native token standard, so we'd like to invite whole Runes community to check us out and just to probably understand what kind of capabilities and opportunities Midl can open to them.
Okay, what are the biggest challenges when building DeFi on Bitcoin compared to EVM chains, and how is Midl tackling them?
So I think now we've recently seen a couple of DApps on Bitcoin releasing, and if you ask the core teams how long did it take them to do it, they would drop in numbers like 7 months, 12 months, 13 months, and so on for a single DApp development. For example, like, I'm not sure, like an AMM, which usually should take you about like 1 to 3 months on the Ethereum, and this is mainly because of how young the whole Bitcoin industry is, or Bitcoin DeFi industry is, and how hard development is. So what Midl brings is a easy migration, and B, the Midl.js library, which is basically the most basic set of tools you need to interact in Bitcoin.
Are there any exciting updates or partnerships from Midl that community should know about?
Yeah, we just announcing our early adopters partnership, and we'd like to invite everyone to build on top of us. We already have a numerous amount of builders coming to Midl and building on top of us, which we are going to announce probably at mid-March.